What's the last thing we gotta get?
I don't know.
It's a mystery.
I'm thinking all of this.
What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm Dalton.
I'm Brandy.
And we're gonna buy some presents for our friends, the Silva family. Go check out their channel. It's awesome. They're hilarious. We're doing a big swap. They're gonna buy us presents. We're buying them something you can't do a makeup tutorial without. A toy that looks like someone in the family. Best thing to pull a prank with. An absolute must-have for school. Mystery present. Ooh. Shopping! Yeah. Shopping!
Shopping! Okay, now we need to get something they're absolutely going to need at school. Eggs, pizza, donuts, emoji, Post-its. Crafting dial? Yes, please. I'm sold.
Every hour is glitter hour. DJ Uni.
What's going on?
DJ Uni. Throwing glitter, throwing glitter.
You get the point.
Great, it's already open. This was so good. Somebody couldn't wait. They had to use it. Run. Oh, get down.
They love doing pranks.
I feel like you could do some real damage with this.
Oh yeah.
They're definitely up to something. Look at this.
So before you do a makeup tutorial, you should definitely clean your skin.
Lash Blast Volume. A clump crusher. These are some great alliteration going on.
So many options.
How do you guys ever leave the store?
We don't. No. Strong eyebrow. No.
I found myself.
Wait, which one is the toy? I think it's this one. This looks like me.
Kind of does look like you, Brandy.
It does. Vin Diesel.
I think we're onto something because Mr. Silva likes to hit the gym. What's the last thing we got to get?
I don't know.
It's a mystery.
I'm thinking all of this.
If you want to see what we got them, go ahead and check out their channel. And if you want to see what they got us, just wait a second.
Watching.
That's it. Keep watching. We went to Target the other day and we bought some gifts for the Silva family. And guess what? These are their gifts for us.
Yes.
So I'm pretty excited about it.
I'm very excited. We're going to start opening them up, see what they got us.
Let's do it.
Oh my gosh.
What?
What are you? Shorts.
What?
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my God.
This is a
Pelvis shorts.
it glows in the
Oh my
dark.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. That was a surprise.
I was not expecting this.
Oh my goodness.
Get in there.
I hope hairs don't go in my eyeballs.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Oh my God.
How do I look?
That's a big head. Is it a puppy?
It's close.
Oh my gosh.
Mike, it's a
Oh, wow.
It's a onesie. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding right now. I didn't want to say it out loud. I mean, I just didn't. But I was thinking it was a onesie.
I have to try this on.
Oh, it's important.
Right now.
Right now. It's an emergency.
Right now.
Oh my gosh! You look so good. Dalton, oh my gosh, please wear this every single day.
I think I'm gonna. This is a...
for the rest of your life. Who's the dude? Oh my gosh!
Who's the dude?
I don't know who the dude is, but
Play charades with the dude.
We should open it up and play with the dude.
What?
Yeah, let's do that immediately. Okay. I'm so excited about this. I see it all the time.
Excited about the dude!
Where's the dude?
What?
Are you kidding me? It didn't come with it?
It didn't. What? That's weird. I don't know why it wouldn't come with
That's so not.
a dude!
Oh my gosh!
Oh!
This is amazing. Okay, so this guy should actually help us open this last present.
Yeah. Let's do this. He's got thumbs, guys. He can open things.
He can do it.
Look at these thumbs.
Go on, dude. You can do it. Good. Just hack away.
Give me like 3 years.
Yeah,
I'm gonna hack through this. Oh my gosh. What?
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 Excuse me?
Get out of here, paper. Get.
It's a Sky Rover.
What?
6-way control. Oh my god.
This is so cool.
Lift off, go, fly. Thank you so much to the Silva family for giving us all this cool stuff. If you want to see what we got them, click this video right here and be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Bye.